Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Apni Baatcheet. Today I am gonna talk about the term poverty, and I'm sure you all must have heard this term or even know about this term. So, as far as I remember, for the very first time, I got to know about this term in my ninth standard. It was actually a chapter completely a chapter related to this topic only. So, when I got to know about the real meaning of this word poverty, so my perspective related to the society and related to the world has completely changed. Like the society where we are living is completely different from what I have observed, by studying this term called poverty. So, if I'll talk about the real meaning of this term, so its meaning is it refers to a state or a condition in which a person, or you can say a group of person, is unable to fulfill their basic requirements and needs such as food, shelter, and clothing. So, can you imagine yourself in place of those people? You know how their life is so much struggling, how the people are struggling a lot to fulfill even their basic needs. We can't imagine ourselves in their place, of course we can't, and no one wants, because I feel like it's such a condition which like very harsh for someone, but yet those people know how to live with those situations, which gives us a lesson that how we should remain optimistic in our life, although in negative situations as well. So you know those people are really having a lot of problem in their life. From their birth they are struggling, they are facing problem. When a child born, so he or she does not know about the real world. When they grown up, they got to know about the real world. Like, it is us humans who divide ourselves only. No one has born poor or rich, right? Yeah. And if I'll talk about poverty, so it's a type of trap or a cycle which goes on from generation to generation if no one try to overcome from that. Although there are a lot of government schemes and policies, or through education one can overcome, but all the facilities are not available to the one who actually required it. you know the one who deserved did not get those facilities. Even if they get, it's too long time, or it's too late basically. So it was all about, I want to share about poverty. What do you feel? Just let me know in the comment box. I hope you got to know about much, and it was really a genuine and a very personal opinion about poverty. What I feel